guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a continuation of part 1. So I'm finishing up in the kitchen. I am taking the Christmas decorations in the garage, breaking down the recycling, and just getting rid of stuff from the counter that I had put on there when I was cleaning out the dining room area. And then I am going to go ahead and finish cleaning the stovetop grates in a minute and just give them a nice scrub and get them nice and clean to put them back on the clean stovetop. So I had to go and get a toothbrush because I was having trouble getting in those little tiny corners of the grates to get them clean. So I was scrubbing them with a toothbrush to do my best to get them clean. So now I'm just taking everything from around the kitchen sink and I'm just wiping it down, and then I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of my dish soap and some baking powder or baking soda, and I'm just going to scrub the inside of the sink to give it kind of like a deep clean, and then I will move on from there. When I was cleaning the kitchen, I realized that the cabinets were really dirty, and the only downside to having white cabinets is that they show everything. So I decided to just take a quick little magic eraser sheet and just give them a wipe down because I couldn't stand looking at them anymore with dirt on them. Here we have the kitchen all clean besides the little bin I'm using to collect rags. And then we're moving into the bedroom here. As you can see, there's just clothes all over the bedroom. The bed is kind of made, but we're gonna go ahead and fix it because the duvet cover is not even on it. And then we're gonna clean off those nightstands and just give it a good vacuum. So I filmed this video right after the new year, so most of the stuff that was thrown on the dresser was a lot of Christmas presents and just like things for doing nails and from having company over and just a lot of junk. So I put everything on the bed so that I could clear off the dresser and then go through the trash and sort through everything because I was so tired of looking at it and I just wanted our dresser cleaned so badly. I should probably add that there's a hammer and a tape measure in the bedroom because the day before I had hung that picture up above the dresser and I hadn't put it away. So that's why that's in there. So I'm just vacuuming our bedroom real quick before I move on into our master bathroom. So here's our bedroom all tidied up, nice and clean. The dresser is clean, the bed is made, and it feels so great. Now here's the bathroom. The bathroom's not too bad. It's just kind of junky as well. The shower's not terrible. It definitely needs to be cleaned. But the back of the toilet seat has a tray that I have things on, and that's full with makeup and other things, and it's just a hot mess. So we're gonna go ahead and sort through this and get it all cleaned up. I know the footage for me cleaning the bathroom kind of sucks, and I apologize. It was a really tight squeeze trying to get the camera where I needed it to be, so I just kind of left it and did my thing so I could get the bathroom clean. But we're going to try a taller tripod next time and see if we can get some better angles on that. Here's the bathroom, all clean, organized. I can't believe that shelf is finally got nothing on it but the sign. There's nothing better than a clean bathroom. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.